What is up, guys? We are here today with Vu and Blue. Hey! Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys, well, if you look here, we have some taken apart headlights. So
that you just bought.
That I just bought for fucking 350 bucks. Idiot. Fuck you. But I'm gonna show you guys the secret tip that all these headlight guys on Instagram and shit won't tell you.
And
so
how to get one hair locked inside.
Yeah, fucking got a hair.
If you don't have one hair stuck in, you're doing it wrong.
So just FYI, that one is actually already done. I'll show you guys what that one looks like right now. But first, let's go over the parts you guys need. So you're gonna go on Amazon. You're gonna go to this cool site called BTF Lighting. You're gonna start off by ordering 2 of these rolls of WS2812B LED strips. And then you're going to buy this LED controller from the same site. And then you're gonna tape this into Google and order this. So this is, I think, $10. This is $20, and these are $24 a roll. So in total, you'll spend about 70 bucks. And how do you guys think the outcome looked?
I mean, I don't think it's $470. Sick. I'm just kidding.
Wait, no, hold on. Let me keep in mind. These guys on Instagram that build these headlights are charging $2 grand for a set of headlights just to have this.
Stupid. This is way better. And I feel like it only took you what, like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it took like 20 minutes.
Hardest part is what, separating this?
Yeah, taking these apart. So, disclaimer. If you guys don't feel comfortable pulling your own headlights open, I suggest buying brand new headlights to do it to. Do not do this. And I'm not liable for you guys' as fuck ups. But I'll show you guys what this one looks like right now. So, if you look in the back, there's the thing I added on. What? Huh? What? So guys, this is plugged in to a 12-volt power source. We have one controller, and we have the lights. So, unlock your phone.
You should just delete.
You J-Willed your ass.
Go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi.
You J-Willed your asshole, dude.
Let me just put a line too.
Oh shit. Then you go to SP 108. You go to the app. You turn the lights on. You can press enter. So this is what the lights look like. This is one of the modes. So this app's fucking super cool. You have a whole page of, I think it's 200 different types, or you can make your own, or you can put like a picture in. So we're gonna go here and I'm gonna cycle through this circle. So we go to the app and it's like endless choices of what you want. So these are my favorite right here. This one. This one's pretty fucking cool. You have, that's not my favorite, but you have a rainbow.
That's crazy. That's crazy right there.
I was just gonna pull up to Pride with those headlights.
Stupid.
I'm gonna slap my meter on your windshield.
You have all these like different modes.
Training.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm training. Training to deck your ass in the face with that same exact shit.
Hey! Uh-huh. I'm gonna go steal your content. Too bad your video is gonna get posted before this one.
CJDM?
So yeah, you have all these different choices to choose from inside of this app. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I did to get this one right. So I did this one first. I did this one first to make sure I knew how to do it before I did that one. So I didn't want to waste my time on a video. So I'll show you guys how to do this one. and this will be your end result. And it'll save you about, how much did I say? Like $1,500? Yeah. Tony's not a fan.
Whatever you like.
So, Luna, get away. You already got hair in that one. Go. So, I already have it split apart. I'm sorry I kind of forgot to record that part, guys. So what you're gonna do is, so this is kind of model specific for the Dodge, but it should be similar. I'm gonna do Civic lights and 240 lights eventually, but this acrylic piece on the front snaps out. So I'm gonna start by snapping this piece out, and then we're gonna lay those LEDs inside of this piece right here. So it just has a few, fuck you. So it just has a few clips, one here, one here, one here, and then 3 more on the top. New ass alternator for your bunk ass car.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Leave my car on. Yeah, light.
Stupid. So I'm gonna get this snapped out, and then I'll show you guys how to lay the LEDs on that.
There it is.
So Thomas just tried heating.
Yeah, I'm trying to heat it up so it could be softer.
So now that you have the piece of acrylic off, you're gonna lay the LEDs in here and then glue them and clamp them. But you gotta cut them to the length. So I ended up cutting off, I think I cut off 34. So I'm gonna cut off 34 off that one as well and lay it the same exact way. All right, so now you're gonna peel some of the stickiness off, or the cover off. And you're gonna start from the bottom. You wanna get it even. So I started the other one like right here. So I'm gonna get it even with the other side. And just start going around. And if at first it's not really gonna want to do what you want it to do, so I'll show you guys how to get the LEDs to mold to the lights. So you just go through, place them in the channel.
Hey, bro, I throw this in the fridge.
Uh-oh. Alright, then if it's too long, just make your way back. Take the slack back to the other side. Now to get them to sit properly, you just want to apply some heat. And that warms up the silicone on the LED strip itself, so it'll form to the headlight lens a lot better.
No.
So now you just go through. After it's warm, press it down. Since it's warm, it'll mold and twist a lot better. See how it's starting to get all the bubbles out, John?
Yeah.
Want to go to Home Depot? Buy these trusty dusty clamps, and then you're just gonna peel this row away first.
I should dry it. Dude, it's gonna shoot out. I feel like it's gonna shoot out.
Yes. Yeah. Slowly apply it. So, one thing I forgot to mention is it does matter what end you cut shorter. So if you look, there we go. If you look, these arrows tell you which way the data of the LEDs are flowing. So make sure that this end of the arrow is plugged into the controller, and this end is the side you cut off, and you won't have any problems.
Luna.
Shut the fuck up. On. Ready? Shut the fuck up.
Nice shirt.
Nice fucking shirt.
Are you mad you didn't get one?
I said that earlier.
I guess I'll just DM. We'll just DM her. Send us.
I know. Never content.
Never content.
Content.
Dana Senpai.
Oh, shit. Oh,
It's Dana Senpai.
oh, Dennis Empire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, never content.
Never content is Osteezy.
No,
What
we
the
never
shirt?
content because you fucking took your shirt. You took our shirt.
Is that a new
Not
badge?
content.
Match? Patch?
Batch.
Badge.
Yeah.
Yours was English so bad?
I know. Goes to Vietnam, comes back and has to relearn English.
Yeah, sometimes. You see me like asking me Vietnamese music and shit? Fool's still singing Vietnamese shit over there. Earlier. Really? Yeah, oh my god. Okay, I got a little fucking.
Isaac, are you seeing this message right now? You're a bitch.
So the way the system works is first you need a 12 volt to 5 volt converter. So this is $8, link will be in the bio. So this takes your 12 volt to 5 volt into this system. And then basically this is your voltage, this is your data, that's what controls these lights to do all the crazy shit they do. And then the ground. So that's real simple. You just gotta plug them in like that, and they have these little tabs, and they plug in right behind both headlights. So I'm gonna get this all wired up and then show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I have the wire ran through here, and the other one up through here. And then I'll finish installing this later. And then I have the controller right here. So remember guys, you want to connect these all the correct way. Voltage, data, and ground. And make sure you have your voltage converter, or else if you do 12 volts straight to that box, it'll blow these out. Being said, I am going to wrap up this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. I will try my best to reply to all of them, or hit me in the DMs on Instagram. But let me know also in the comments how you guys think they turned out. I honestly loved how they turned out though. Like, it just sets the truck apart from any other truck in this area.
It'd be hella funny right now if you just honked your horn.
Dude, I wish, but the button's broken. But like I said, I love it. It sets my truck apart from all the trucks around this area. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. That's a wrap for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Fine in my bag, fine in the mood, fine in my bag. Do anything for